Hi friends, this is the District Summative Assessment. In other words, it's your math test for Unit 4. Make sure you have your name up at the top of your paper, and we'll go through this nice and easily. Okay, so let's take our time. Don't rush through it. You can always rewind, pause, whatever you need to do. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Make sure your name is up here at the very top of the paper. Question 1 says, count the objects and write the number. So you're just counting how many stars there are. And then on the blank, right here, tell how many stars. Number 2 says, count the objects and write the number. So count how many there are and write how many there are on this blank. So these are marbles. Question number 3 says, count the objects and write the number. So again, you're counting, but this time the objects are those place value blocks that we've been working with. So you're going to tell how many tens and how many ones, and then write it as a regular number right here. It says how many ones. So blank tens, blank ones, that's equal to or the same as how many ones. Okay, looks like you're doing the same thing on question 4. How many tens, how many ones, and then you just combine them all to be ones. So how many ones is that equal to? Okay, question 5 says, compare the numbers using words and symbols. So 32 is greater than, is less than, is equal to 24. So circle one of these, is greater than, is less than, is equal to, and then draw the symbol in the circle. 32 is blank than 24. Put your symbol in there, greater than, less than, or equal to. Same thing on number 6. 27 is greater than, less than, equal to two tens and 7 ones, which I would write that number out down here so then you can compare them number to number. Then in this circle, you're going to use the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. 27 is, put the symbol here, 2 tens, 7 ones. Okay, same thing on question number 7. 22 is greater than, less than, equal to 40. So in the circle, you're going to indicate with the symbol 22 is greater than, less than, or equal to 40. And be sure and circle it in one of these boxes as well. Okay, now these are the word problems, so you're going to use the RDW. That's how we do all of our word problems. So I need to see a picture in each one of these boxes. Okay? It says show your thinking in the box below. You have to show me your thinking. You have to show what the problem is saying. So you have to represent the whatever items are in the box. Okay? Number 8 says, Jamie's team has 15 basketballs on the court and 4 on the bench. How many basketballs does Jamie's team have? Draw your picture. Write your answer. They have blank basketballs. So draw your picture to match the problem. Put your answer on the blank. Number 9 says, Petra has some red marbles. Some red marbles. She has 7 blue marbles. She has 13 marbles in all. How many red marbles does she have? So the problem doesn't tell you how many red ones. You have to figure it out based on the number of blue ones and the total she has. Draw your picture. Write your answer for the number of red marbles that Petra has on the blank. Number 10. Bob has 11 apples. Joe has 6 apples. How many more apples does Bob have? Draw your pictures. Fill in the blank. Bob has blank more apples. Number 11. Susan has 12 bananas. Julie has 3 more bananas than Susan. How many bananas does Julie have? Draw the picture. Fill in the answer. Julie has blank bananas. "17 students are on the playground. 8 are girls, and the rest are boys. How many boys are on the playground?" Draw the picture. There are blank boys on the playground. Number 13. Duck had some cookies. Pigeon ate 4 of them. Duck has 14 cookies left. How many cookies did Duck have to start with? Draw your picture. Fill in the blank. Duck had blank cookies. Number 14. Dakota has 9 red pencils and 4 green pencils. How many pencils does she have? Draw your picture. Fill in the blank. Dakota has blank pencils. Number 15. Sam brought 20 cupcakes to school. There are 17 students in his class. How many cupcakes will Sam have left? Draw your picture. Fill in the blank. Sam has blank cupcakes left. Okay, on problem number 16, you're going to draw a line to match the place value chart on the left on this side with the chart on the right that show the same amounts. So figure out how much is in each of these charts. And if I were you, I'd write that number above or to the side and then match to the place value charts over here. So you'll draw a line to match them. Okay, last question. Charlie says that 32 is the same as 2 10s and 12 1s. Hannah says that 32 is the same as 1 10 and 22 1s. Are they correct? Show your thinking in the box below. So you're going to circle, are they correct? Yes or no. Don't forget to circle one of these answers. And then in the box, you're going to show Charlie's thinking and Hannah's thinking by drawing 10s and 1s and what number that equals. Okay, that concludes our math test. Go back and rewind as necessary. Make sure your name is on your paper. I hope you did well.